I want to increase millions of views, thousands of comments. TikTok automatically recommends this video. Don't miss it. Hi guys, welcome back to the Digital Marketing Software channel. In this video, I will show you how to increase your views. Increase comments for TikTok videos automatically with the MKT Tik Pro tool. This is the main interface of the software. The software will support you to manage unlimited TikTok accounts. The software will support you to raise TikTok accounts automatically according to interactive scenarios such as reading message boards, watching videos like real users. You want to increase the view and comment. You will choose the seeding function. Next, you will choose the seeding video. You can get the link of the video or the TikTok ID of the video. Here, I will take a sample video to demo support for you. I'll take my video directly. You'll click on the video. Then you will copy the link of the video. You will paste the link of the video into the software. Next, you will set up your own configuration to increase the view, increase comment here. You can be like comment, share video, follow account holder. In the end, you will choose the TikTok accounts you added. You will use these TikTok accounts to support increased views and comments for videos. With more accounts, the greater the number of interactions you can achieve. You will enter the comments into the software. Here you will set up the number of threads running simultaneously, corresponding to the number of accounts running simultaneously, depending on the machine configuration. As you can see, each account corresponds to a Chrome. The software will run multiple accounts simultaneously. Above, I have just shown you how to increase views, increase comments TikTok series naturally. It is easy to get your videos up to recommendation. If you are interested, please contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp. I put it below the description. Thank you and see you in the next video.